Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Wife of the Delta State People's Democratic Party PDP governorship candidate, Mrs. Tobore Oborevwori, has appealed to women in the state to vote massively for her husband in the March 11, 2023 governorship election. Mrs. Oborevwori made the appeal recently while embarking on a market-to-market campaign across local government areas of Delta State.
Prior to this time, governorship candidate of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) in Delta State, Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori, had embarked on a word-to-word campaign to win the support of the generality of Deltans. The outgoing Speaker of the Delta State House of Assembly had equally reached out to several groups like traditional rulers, socio-cultural organizations, and ethnic nationalities across 25 local government areas of the state, convincing them to support his governorship ambition. All along, Right Honorable Oborevwori's wife, Tobore, had accompanied him to canvass for votes. With his wife always by his side, the PDP governorship candidate has never failed to sell his development blueprint to Deltans, which he refers to as the MORE agenda.
I want to assure you that there will be meaningful development, opportunity for all, realistic reforms, peace and security. I'm a unifier, I'm a Pandeltan. I will listen to people more, do more, and achieve more. The government that is coming is going to be all-inclusive.
Convinced that her husband has the best deal for Deltans, Mrs. Oborevwori recently embarked on a market-to-market campaign to solicit women's votes. The recent campaign took her to Isoko South, Patani, Ereni, and Warri main markets, where she got a rousing reception. In Patani, Mrs. Oborevwori sensitized women on the importance of casting their votes for the right governorship candidates. She encouraged them to exercise their franchise without fear, noting that the introduction of the bimodal voter accreditation system, BVAS, is intended to eliminate all forms of electoral fraud and make their votes count.
BVAS votes, voting in me, you know if it's ballot box, you know if you carry ballot box wrong. No matter how you want to and say you get talk, you get gun, you get this, you not go work that day. That BVAS vote, now they go use. I believe as we sit down for here, fine, they shine like this. I believe that we get PVC. Yeah. You don't go for one, so you not get cutlass. Oh. Yeah. Now so this one just be. Without this PVC, you know if you cast your vote. Without this PVC, you know if you vote for the person you're supposed to vote for.
During her interaction with Delta women, Mrs. Oborevwori described her spouse as a God-fearing man, caring father, loving husband, and compassionate leader. She urged them to guard their PVCs jealously and vote massively for the PDP candidate who stands out as the man with unrivaled competence, character, and experience in the Delta State governorship race.
My husband, that is they call Sheriff Francis Oborevwori. Now very fine young man. Yeah. Not be strong person that they send message. Not because when he's smart they send message. As I be so now, so my husband be. And as on our front they talk, they shine. So now if I were to they shine. And the PVC now go speak for us. So when that time don't reach, me and you go fit get voice. And I go still make my husband be the governor of Delta State.
In recognition of his towering political profile, AKUGHA Kingdom recently hosted Right Honorable Oborevwori during a civic reception organized for the PDP governorship candidates. The people of AKUGHA Kingdom described him as one of their own, a leader who has contributed immensely to the advancement of the kingdom. Emmanuel Madigba, first vice chairman of PDP Elders Council in Ughelli North, and Mrs. Veronica Ogbakponowe, vowed that communities in AKUGHA Kingdom will deliver block votes for Oborevwori, as they are confident that he would attract more development to the kingdom and other parts of Delta State if he becomes the next occupant of Osadebe House.
He's an excellent man. He's a loving man, and I know if he goes to that seat, AKUGHA will be developed.
He's a man of honor. He's a man that has gone, he has done it before. And we know he's a man that stands by the truth. All the women of AKUGHA, we are behind Sheriff.
For the people of AKUGHA Kingdom, charity begins at home. They are confident that Right Honorable Oborevwori will enjoy same measure of goodwill from other parts of Delta State in the governorship election slated for March 11, 2023.
Inside the Niger Delta,